The Open Folder Context Menus extension for VS Code adds two new context menus to VS Code's Explorer that let you quickly open workspaces. Now, here I've already installed the extension, and to demonstrate it, let's go over to the VS Code Explorer here. Now, I'm currently in the VS Code project itself, so the source code for VS Code, and part of that is that we have these built-in extensions, and say that I wanted to actually look at just the CSS extension here. So that is the file right here. I'm just going to right-click on it in the Explorer, and you can see that there are now two new options that have been added by this extension. So we have Open New Workbench here and Reopen Workbench here. Now, so let's take a look at the first command first. So Open New Workbench here. And if I select this, what will happen is that a new VS Code window will open, and it will be scoped to the file that I selected there. So you can see I'm in the CSS folder now, and everything is scoped there. So I can just quickly open new windows just like that. So I can just go through any of these files and open new VS Code windows just by doing that. And if I select a file here instead of a folder, it'll actually just open that individual file. So you can quickly open new VS Code windows just like that. Now the second option is to actually reopen the current workbench on this folder. So this would actually replace my current workbench. So watch what happens when I select this. It will now transfer over, and we have opened the CSS folder in my current window. So instead of opening a new window, it just replaced my current window. So that's the Open Folder Context Menu extension for VS Code. It's a pretty simple extension, but I find myself using these two commands pretty often.